Hey creatives, welcome to EZPrintHouz, where custom printing gets easy, fun, and totally stress-free. Today I'm going to walk you through our all-new gallery feature and how you can use it inside our powerful Easy Gang Sheet Builder. Let's start with the basics. First, head to the Easy Gang Sheet Builder product page and pick the gang sheet size that works for you. We've got plenty of sizes available, from 22 by 24 all the way up to 22 by 360. So whether you're working on a small project or a full production run, we've got you covered. Once you've selected your size, click the big green Easy Gang Sheet Builder button to enter the builder. Before anything else, you'll see a welcome pop-up with three choices: start a brand new gang sheet, open a previously ordered gang sheet, and auto build. If you want full creative control, click start a brand new gang sheet. This opens the builder in manual mode. But here's the thing: auto build is not off by default. You always have the option to turn it on using the auto build button at the bottom left of your screen. To work manually, just leave auto build off and start designing freely. On the left-hand side, click the tab labeled Gallery. This is your new best friend. We've added hundreds of pre-made, ready-to-print graphics organized into easy-to-browse categories like autism, summer vibes, LGBTQ+, Black history, 4th of July, and more. Use the drop-down menu at the top to filter by category, and don't forget to flip through the pages at the bottom to see even more designs. See something you love? Just click it, and it drops right onto your gang sheet. From there, you can drag it around, resize it by grabbing the corners, or rotate it to fit your layout perfectly. The watermark you see on images is for online protection only and will not be printed. If you ever change your mind, just click the design and hit delete, or use the trash can icon. Super easy. For those of you who like things neat and precise, make sure to turn on the overlapping line checker and resolution guides. These tools will help you avoid layout issues and make sure everything prints sharp and clean. On the right-hand side, you'll also notice your Active Gang Sheets panel. This is where you can keep track of your current design, change the sheet quantity, duplicate it, or start over from scratch. You can also add new designs, open previous designs, toggle auto build mode. This panel is your creative control center for building and managing everything on your sheet. Once you're happy with your design, hit Save and Add to Cart. But wait, there's one more step. A confirmation pop-up will appear where you give your gang sheet a name. Make sure there are no overlapping or low-resolution images. Confirm nothing is outside the printable area. And most importantly, you'll need to check the box confirming you have full rights to print the artwork. If you're using one of our EZPrintHouz designs from the gallery, no worries. We've got you covered. Once that's all good, hit Add to Cart and Exit to move on to checkout. All right, now let's talk about auto build, the fastest way to create a full gang sheet in just a few clicks. You can access auto build either from the welcome pop-up or by turning it on at any time using the auto build toggle at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're in auto build mode, head to the gallery, pick your category, and start clicking your favorite designs. With each click, your selections are instantly added and automatically arranged on the sheet. No need to drag and drop or worry about spacing. We do that for you. You can adjust the artboard margin and image margin settings at the top to control spacing between designs. Want to reshuffle the layout? Click the Auto Build button again to refresh the arrangement with your current selections. In Auto Build mode, you can also duplicate designs, remove them, and change sizes before applying them to your sheet. If you need to remove a design, just click the Remove button next to it. Once you're all set, hit Apply to build your sheet, then click Save and Add to Cart. Just like with manual mode, you'll see a confirmation pop-up where you name your design, check for overlaps, resolution, and artwork placement, and confirm your rights to print. Then click Add to Cart and Exit, and you're ready to roll. So whether you're a hands-on layout lover or all about that quick build life, our Easy Gang Sheet Builder and Gallery feature make creating DTF prints a total breeze. Start designing now at EZPrintHouz.com, and let's make something amazing together.